Hi there, Martin Conn from martincon.com. Just a quick video today. You can probably tell I'm in the car, and I've actually taken a few minutes out of my day because I just wanted to share with you some of the reasons why we really need to be concentrating hard on some of the concerns we have, but more specifically the good results that we visualize through overcoming them. In my case at any rate, and I think this applies to a lot of other people, many people actually do spend a lot of the time when they're driving actually thinking about things in their day, challenges that they've got. Certainly this applies to me. But I'm also spending that time thinking more and more about the results I want. And just before I go to sleep, I actually think of some concerns that I would like an answer to. And then I effectively turn the whole thing over to my subconscious mind, which does a lot of work for us, infinitely more powerful than our conscious mind, and often we'll wake up with the answers to our problems. If this is something you've never heard of or come across before, give it a go. You'll see for yourself. It may take a while to develop, but you will see that it does actually work. And what I really want to point out today is how important it is to always be continuing to always do the very best you can, no matter how difficult the situation may be. You need to keep moving forward. Someone once said to me, when you're going through hell, don't stop. Now, that's perhaps for some people quite a shocking statement, but for others, and certainly myself, I actually saw how true that really is. If you're going through a difficult time, you've got to absolutely keep on remaining focused towards your end goal, towards that light at the end of the tunnel. In many cases, even though it seems so difficult sometimes, you've just got to keep going, because usually, and more often than not, the majority of people who give up just a little bit before they would have actually achieved what they wanted to achieve. And we know this from the people who've kept on going and actually got to where they want to be. And then when they look back, they actually say, I was so close to giving up. There are a lot of situations in life where this occurs. So, there's so many examples one could draw on, but I want to keep this video short and precise. So really, if you're having a little bit of a tough time, just think, towards where you want to be. Visualize yourself as having actually already achieved what it is you want to do. And do this exercise as many times per day as you need to, even if it's just like a quick 5 or 10 second, interlude in your busy day, thinking to yourself what you wanting to achieve and having assumed that you've already achieved it, because this puts your whole mental state in a different focus. Try it for yourself, see how you go. I think you'll find it does work. More information at martincon.com, and the address is of course to the right or just below this video. Thanks, have a good day.